Busbud Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Busbud, a global bus booking platform. Links to the service are in the description below. Busbud is designed for travelers looking to book intercity and international bus tickets with ease. It aggregates routes from thousands of bus companies worldwide, covering North America, Europe, South America, Africa, and Asia. Whether you're traveling across countries or just between cities, Busbud provides a centralized way to compare prices, schedules, and bus operators. The platform is user-friendly with a simple search function that allows you to input your departure and destination cities, select travel dates, and instantly see available options. Filters help refine results based on price, departure time, duration, and bus company. It also provides details like onboard amenities, luggage policies, and seat selection, helping users make informed decisions. One of Busbud's main advantages is its extensive coverage. Unlike traditional bus company websites that only show their own routes, Busbud consolidates options from multiple carriers, ensuring you get the best choice for your route. It also supports multiple currencies and languages, making it accessible to international travelers. Busbud partners with well-known bus companies such as Greyhound, Flixbus, BlaBlaCar Bus, and ALSA, ensuring reliable service and ticket availability. Many bookings offer mobile tickets, eliminating the need for paper printouts. Customer support is available in multiple languages, and the platform has a flexible cancellation and refund policy, depending on the bus operator's terms. For budget-conscious travelers, Busbud is a great alternative to flights and trains, often providing significantly lower fares for long-distance travel. It's especially useful for backpackers, digital nomads, and anyone looking to travel comfortably without breaking the bank. Overall, Busbud is a reliable, convenient, and cost-effective bus booking platform with global reach. Its intuitive interface, wide coverage, and multiple payment options make it an excellent tool for travelers worldwide. If you're planning a bus trip, check out the links in the description to explore Busbud and find the best routes for your journey.